Okay, I was harvesting some of these carrots and I found an interestingly shaped one in here. Well, it doesn't show up right now because they are caked in mud, but after I'm done washing the carrots off, I'll show you it. It's quite interesting. Okay, these carrots are what I wanted to show you. Right here, we got these two carrots that were spaced a little too close together. Now they're twisted in a corkscrew clockwise. And this carrot right here, if you look closely, you can see some heavy forking in the root. A piece of the root broke off here, and there was another piece that broke off here. And if you look down here, you can see more forks down here. And this large root, see right here, there is this other forked root that went off there. And right here, almost like a Cthulhu monster, if you've ever heard of that. Now, unfortunately, a lot of the carrots that are shaped like this with all the gnarly roots, heavy forking, and twisting would often be end up as baby finger carrots, assuming they're orange, or turn into animal feed or carrot juice. Don't know why. If you're lucky enough, you might find a supermarket that has ugly produce, and you could find stuff like this, but best place to find it is when you're growing it in the garden. You'd be surprised how many food goes to waste at the supermarket. Not just ugly produce, sometimes unsold produce and expired stuff. Now let me go ahead and finish washing this and stick it in the oven and cook it now. Those gnarly carrots I showed earlier, because they had so many hairy secondary roots, I had to scrub them off with a potato brush. And after about 15 minutes of scrubbing, I've removed most of the hairy roots. I will have to continue peeling a bit of them off anyway before sticking them in the oven. If anyone watching this has ever handled red beetroots or purple cabbage, one cool thing about this variety of carrot, the Pusa Sita, is that it has so much purple pigment in it that it bleeds everywhere. So, in fact, the purple pigment will remain on your hands for a few days afterwards until the pigment washes off. So if you don't want your fingers to be stained purple, wear some gloves while handling the root. I'll put on the carrots with some olive oil. I hope that's enough. We'll find out. Okay, here are the finished carrots. Let me try one. I tried the raw ones, they were a little bitter. It seems cooking them has softened them and removed some of the bitterness. At least I keep that in mind next time I cook carrots. They've also sweetened quite a bit. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you later.